As an investor, we cannot assume that the sun is shining at us all the time. At the start of the COVID period, global stock market had one of the worst crashes over the last decade. Obviously, my stock portfolio wasn't spared at all. However, the impact on my overall investment portfolio was not significant. I have investments in fixed income instruments like endowment, which was not affected at all. My fund investment, which focuses on overseas market, rebounded much earlier. I am still receiving dividends despite the drop in my stock portfolio value. More importantly, because of my prudent money management, I was able to ramp up my portfolio size when the stock market was at its lowest. In short, investment is never about buy low, sell high, but having different investment systems with proper risk management to achieve our objectives. My name is Emin, full-time investment speaker since 2011. Every year, thousands have benefited from my sharing through my seminars, courses, both online and offline. I look forward to meeting up with you soon, and let's make sound investment decisions together.